Hey guys, today we are gonna show you how to make a planner for 2018. This is a collab video with Maare Karmen. Her channel's link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check out her channel. She's doing video on video ideas for YouTubers.
So first I'm gonna show you how to make the front page of the planner. So you will need a spiral notebook and some scrapbook papers of your choice. I'm taking a floral one. Then just cut it according to the size of the notebook. After that you can take a black paper and cut any pattern of your choice to make the heading for the planner. I like to write planner in this pattern and we'll stick it to the scrapbook paper. Now take a fine liner and just write planner on it. After that, fill the writing with a whitener so it will look nice. Then take any washi tape of your choice and just stick it to the heading. I am sticking to either sides. After that, you can stick it to the paper with any type of glue and just cover them. Cover it to the spiral notebook. Then with sellotape you can just stick it to secure it. After that you can take a black paper and stick it on top of that to make it look more clean. After that take any washi tape of your choice. I am taking a 3D washi tape and just stick it to the borders. Gives a nice effect. As I told you, you can take black paper and stick it. Now take any glitter foam. I am taking a black one. So to write 2018 instead of 0, I am just sticking this heart shape. Then take any paper of your choice, scrapbook paper. Then just write 218 and cut them for writing 2018. Then you can stick it to the front page. Then take a stencil and draw any type of pattern to your scrapbook paper. I drew an arrow and a leafy thing. Now you can cut that. And stick it to the front page. Now it looks really cute. I really like the design of the scrapbook paper. Now for the pages inside, first you can start off by writing any positive quotes. I am writing stay positive and just draw any patterns you like. I used placed a stencil here. Then after that, in the next page you can write all the names of the days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. Then you on the other side you can write to do schoolworks. Then I'm also writing YouTube. Now your planner is ready with the front page and the organization of the inside.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below. Thanks for watching.